Hi guys, Matthias here from Molnify. Today I want to show you how you can create this application. This is an application that sends email. So I can type in my name here, for instance, and I can type my email uh, like this. Maybe I type in my company name and I also type in my use case with Molnify. Be awesome, create apps. Then when I click send email, Molnify will send an email to my email inbox and also the email inbox of the person, which is also me owning this application at the moment. So now I'm going to show you how to do this in Excel and then upload to Molnify as an application. Let's get into it. Okay, so here we are in Excel, and I have prepared just a few yellow cells here, and yellow cells in Molnify are action cells. So I have type, to, subject, from, content, HTML, and title. But let's start out to create my app. So this will be a questionnaire app. So here I will type. And now let's turn these ones here into inputs by coloring the cells to the right. That is this one, and we call that standard green. And we'll do the same for these here. Okie dokie. So my name is Matthias, and my email is matthias@molnify.com. And the name of my company is Molnify, and my use case is creating cool apps. All right, so I'm typing this in just to kind of orientate myself when I build the Excel model, and this is really for the content in the email, which we're going to create later on. But let's see here. I want to actually I want to create some cell references here, like that. And then if E4 equals nothing, then print out 2 lines like that, and otherwise print out whatever is in E4. Okay. This is just to kind of create the email. And in this cell here, I'm going to create a tag and type BR. So this is going to be a line break tag in HTML with which Molnify will pick up. Okay, so let's get over now to the action. This is where you create your email function in Molnify. Type, well, we're going to create an email function, so we'll type email. And to, well, it's going to be to whatever is in this mail, or sorry, whatever is in this cell. And then I also want to add myself as a recipient. So I'll type the and sign here, and then situation mark, semicolon, Matthias@molnify.com. So now it will be sent to, well, Matthias@molnify.com times 2, but if I change the text here, let's go for John@molnify.com, then it will be sent to 2 email addresses. Okay, so the subject, I filled out the demo app, exclamation mark. And from, who is this going to be from? Well, it's going to be from Molnify's email demo. And now let's get into the content. So here I want to use the concatenate function, and I want to concatenate this cell here with this one and this one, and then just continue down like this. And one thing I see now that I actually want to add is I want to add some space here. So I'm going to do this. That will add a space between name and then the actual name. So let's send that down. All right. So now the title of the button that will send this email, what that's going to just say send email. And let's save this now. And let's not forget to add some metadata as well. Metadata is data that tells Molnify things like what's the URL of the app. So this is going to be my email app. That will be the URL ending. And we don't want these cells to be yellow. These cells are going to be purple, but let's fill those out later. And I also want a name for the app, and the name's going to be my email app, like that. And yeah, this is automatic. Maybe I'll also type input panel small, true. And maybe we'll put a template on this as well. So template, this one is pretty nice, business. All right, so let's turn these cells into metadata by coloring the cells standard purple. And also, usually I do the text white, so it's a bit easier to read. And now the app is ready. So let's go ahead and upload this to Molnify. So I'll just head on over to Molnify and click Upload Excel file. And then I'll grab my file like this and just drop it in this area and click Start. And now the app is ready. So let's go to it. And here we go. Our 4 inputs. Type your name. Well, my name is Matthias. And what is your email? Well, I'm going to use another email than my regular one now. So I'll type Hjortsberg, Hjortsberg, which is my last name, at gmail.com. And the name of my company is Molnify, and my use case is create awesome apps. Then I'll just click send email, and Molnify will prompt me and say that the email is now sent. So let's take a look at how the email looks when I receive it. Okay, so here we are in my inbox, and here we can see that Molnify's email demo. I filled out the demo app, and if I click this one here, this will just be a simple email. It says type your name, Matthias. What is your email? Well, it's my email, hjortsberg@gmail.com. And what is the name of your company? It's Molnify. What is the use case with Molnify? It's create awesome apps. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this tutorial on how to make an email app using only Excel and Molnify. If you want to, you can head on over to molnify.com and sign up for a 30-day free trial account. You can also, if you register, see a lot of examples here, which you can do with Molnify, which you can try out, you can play around with them. And if you find something that you like, send me an email and I will get you started. All right, thanks again for watching. Hit the subscribe button and please leave a like, and see you next time. Bye-bye.